It's your mother. Guess what? Your mother is not good at guessing. But the way your face is filled with smile, I'm sure you came back with good news. Mama, this is going to be the best and biggest news you will ever hear. Explode it, my daughter. Because you're forcing my enemies to explode with excreta. You cannot put him on say, Mama, I've gotten admission to study accounting at the Confrontation college. Mama. Eh, Mama? Hey, accounting, Mama. Your daughter is your mama. I'm going to be the first accountant in this kingdom. Hey, the only thing remaining is just for me to pay for 5,000 acceptance fee. Hey! Mama, what is it? It's your mom. Did you say it's how much? But 5,000. Yes, Mama. Look at it now. See, oh. What is it? 45,000. It's 45,000, Mama. We do people that study medicine. They are paying 500,000 naira. Only just 45,000 naira. My God. It's okay, Mama. Mama, what is it? Look at the baby. Mama. 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 Can you believe that? After all the advances I've made towards Buchi and the support I gave to his father, he still cannot look at me. Rather, he's with that poor wretched Isioma.
Ebi, you know you are my friend. Don't worry. I will tell you what to be doing until Buchi becomes yours. Yes, he is the finest boy in this village. And for that, he belongs to a classy girl like you.
Exactly.
The daughter of the most influential man in this village. Not that poor wretched thing called Isioma.
Anyway, that's why you're my best friend. With Buchi as my husband, my life is complete too. You'd rather be mine.
Yeah?
What happened?
Isioma got an admission to study at the Cooperative College.
Well, that is good news now. Why then did she faint?
You're asking this question as if you are not from this village. She fainted because she is so poor that she cannot afford fees. Oh, well,
Poverty is let them not infect my children with their wretchedness. What is all this?
check your time. What is he still doing there at this time of the night?
I would rather stay here and wait. Do you want me to do
Stop worrying. She'll be fine.
She won't be fine. Maybe means she's in financial distress. Now I have to struggle to keep her alive. She experiment is over.
Why?
I'm asking why. I'm poor. She has no boyfriend. My uncle will be destroying the room. Who is going to train me in school?
Oh, all I know is you will go to school. Just believe me.
But you don't understand. The fee is 1,000 per semester. I have 3 semesters, which is 135,000. And the course runs for 3 years, which will be 405,000 naira. What magic? Which miracle? How can it happen? Who will train me? How can I pay for 1 semester? Not to talk of 3 semesters, but for 3 years. My love, how?
Can you just have faith? There must be a way. They won't let this admission slip by, okay? You will go to school. Just have faith. Just what matters now is to take care of her, not her back to health. You go. Tell the others. Uchi, you are telling lies. You are telling lies. Listen, my boy. I, your father, Amakene Moshwele, will never be alive to see you spend the money that is made from your teacher's training college in Isioma. Yes, that girl has nothing to offer to this family at all. Your mother today is in America enjoying her omobo because I trained your sister Nkechi as a nurse and she found a man, an educated man who lives abroad. Listen, my son, you better desist from associating yourself with that rotten family because they have nothing to breed but ill luck and misfortune. You talk as though you don't know how far Isioma and I have come. It is still death to us part two. I don't care to know. Maybe you will have to use your urine. Take care of her. Because I am not ready to give you any further. I know I don't have money, but Isioma, my love, must go to school. That is what I've determined. She must go to school. Listen to me. If you are not ready to go to the teacher's training college because of Isioma, then let it be. Let it be! I say let it be! Papa, you cannot abandon your son. You cannot let me be wallowing. I will not marry the person I want to marry. Wallow. Wallow, okay? Wallow, okay? Wallow!
Where is that boy, the manager? Sabi?
Yes.
Where is that idiot that you call my manager? How much does you make it that last supply there?
1,650,000, sir.
1,650,000.
Yes, sir.
That is too small. Did you sell houses?
No, sir, we don't sold houses.
You does not sell houses.
Yes, sir.
Why? Sabi?
Yes.
Tell me that idiot that is repair houses.
They are here.
Why you does not make houses?
Sir, the supplier is left home.
Supply there for market. They supply in also border. Supply in Ochanja market. Even in bar market, you get supply. Why it does not supply market here?
Sir, those people, their fishes are very small.
Very small. Make sure next Friday you sell out this and give me 2 million and above.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sabi?
Chief.
Go back this motor vehicle. I does not like motor vehicle back here.
Let me go and look for the man there.
Carry this motor vehicle
not have any future without you. We are like the eyes and the nose. They can't exist without each other. I will do everything possible to make sure you attain the objective goals to keep.
You don't work, neither do I. Depend on our parents for their job.
I will strive. I will do all sorts of jobs. I will do whatever job it takes to make sure you have that account. Trust me.
Just and you've been talking about 45,000 naira to cover 15 million.
Touch me for my I have I am Apakene Mush. How are you, my daughters?
Yeah, very fine.
Very good, very good. As you can see, I am rushing to Kotra. Having plenty here and I have to meet up.
I make you very delicious breakfast. I was even on my way to your house to give it to you.
Hey! Hey! Pepper soup!
Very delicious.
Pepper soup! You have always been doing this in the absence of my wife. I appreciate it. Listen to me, you are not just a daughter. You are already our wife. So, how is your father, Uche Namwekeme?
He's very fine, Inai. He's very fine.
Oh, a very good man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Send me word to your father. And you. Have a good Christmas.
You don't have to thank her. Like you said, she is your daughter-in-law. So if she doesn't take care of you, who will?
So please let me rush down.
Papa, take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoy the food, eh?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Greet your father. Hey.
You know, that is the development as it is now. Chifokanga is the only solution, the way things are now. He will help you send her to the cooperative college. He will also help you defray your remaining debts. And possibly set up a business for you.
Nana, the offer is so tempting.
I know.
But the problem here is Buchi.
What Buchi? What Buchi? Huh? Will Buchi train her? Will Buchi revive your ailing health? Or will Buchi help you pay off your debts? Or will Buchi set up business for you? Think well, woman. Think well.
Nan, but they're in love.
Ikpirikpogo. Unknown. No problem. Therefore, let love train her in school for you. That money I borrowed you, plus the one I am going to pay to Mosisi for treating you, all of them come to... Wait, let me come. They all come to 14,600. So please, tell love to bring me the money as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will not get a single farthing from me again.
No, Nani, it hasn't got into that, Nani.
Tell love to come and pay me, oh!
Nani, please now. Please, it hasn't gotten to that, Nani. Nani, you're my last hope. What do you expect me to do now? Nani, my
good friend, you know we have been good friends long ago. I have paid 100,000 naira for pigs already.
I know.
What I'm begging for is just for you to remove some money from this talking.
No, my good friend, no. Look at these fat talkers. Can't you see them? No. Add something, please. Add something. Petrol has added money. You didn't hear it? Add something.
Do you still feed your turkey and your pigs with fuel?
Oh, you don't know.
Our people with fuel.
My chicken, my pigs, all of them drink.
Exactly. You must have a special one. Can I have it? Let me go and get the bag.
You have tried. Too much. Okay.
There's something you're not serious. Come.
What is it? What is it? What are you on about?
My father.
I saw someone beating your father.
Where?
But there's no need for questions. Because if you don't hurry down to that place, you might meet your father there. The man now. If you don't hurry up to that place now, you get meeting Maggie there.
Hey!
My love.
Please stay here. Let me just know what's going on, okay? Let me take care of it.
I'm coming with you.
No, you don't have to. I'll be back as soon as possible. Let me just go know what's wrong, okay? Wait for me. Now.
Chiro, help! Hey! You want to trade where queens dwell, okay? What does that mean? You're asking me what does that mean? I mean go look for a papa like you and stop lurking around the man after my heart. Chimo! Wait. Chalokwa, don't tell me that this is your plan to scuttle our quiet, lovely moment.
It is also to warn you. Because if you don't stay clear from Buchi, I get any Nando. Tolo.
How mischievous how mischievous can both of you be? Buchi! Run! Hey! Exactly, baby, you are doing well!
So I told him, what you see, my baby, be my wife.
Yes, Chief. If you do exactly what I'm asked you to do.
Catch is not my problems. When Catch sees me, Catch don't come to me for me to spend in it. You see this place? It's my joint. Every Friday, big peoples will be full to this place, spending cash. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Bring me 50,000.
Okay, Chief.
This is 50,000. 9,000 on top of it. Soya Okada. When I receive telephone of this young woman, baby, calling me Grand to say thank you, no mention. I will send Sabi a permanent secretary. Come with 50, 100,000. Other amateur talam.
Thank you, Kanga.
I did check before I collected my money back.
Thank you, Chief Okanga. Thank you.
I'll be my permanent secretary. I take this money. Book expenses number 4.
That very girl is crazy. Don't worry, I know how to deal with her.
My love, whatever that stupid girl is up to, she'll have to kill me to have you. In fact, she'll have to bury me. Because I'll fight her from the spirit.
Nobody's going to. You and I know that our love is deeply rooted where no one can ever uproot it. Now that I know her better, you know you're very well.
Of course. I did not say anything. Did you say anything? Next stage now is to go to his house, kneel and apologize to him. Beg him. Act like a broken girl. Cry. Shed crocodile tears. If you don't know how to cry, go to Mama Emeka's shop and buy rope. Use it on your eyes so that you can bring out tears. Do you understand? Make his father believe that what you saw was what looked like his motorcycle. That you only acted out of care. Because of the love you have for his family. Do it very well. Cry. They will believe you.
Okay, are you sure this will work?
Trust me now. I am your special advisor and you know. Trust me, it will work.
No problem, I will try it. When we are together, I'll see how that can work.
They are being together, just sit down with me. I will make sure I monitor each and every of their movements to give you feedback when they are together.
Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. I will make sure I monitor the great work. So, because I want Buchi.
Man, that was why I came. To tell you to go on with the arrangement with Chief Okanga. Because I can see that he is the only way out of this, my poverty and the debt.
Oh.
As for my daughter, I will talk to her as soon as she comes back, so that she will see reasons with me.
You know, I was supposed to come to your house before you came. I met Chief Okanga when I left your house.
What's again?
This is 45,000.
There you go.
He gave me money for her school. This money didn't come just like that. He came with a series of slaps and insults. Don't worry. One day you will understand. Anyway, you can see there's a piece of paper on this money. That's his phone number. He said that if Isioma can call that number and acknowledge this money, that he will send us 100,000.
Hey, wait. 100 again.
100,000 naira.
Hey! Okay, it is a kid of she will call him. Chapali. She will call immediately. Do you know that immediately you left my house, Wanima came to my house, harassing me. No bomb harassment.
Like any mess.
And you go 1,005.
That matter is over.
Oh, Bego, no, I hear Bego.
You're different. We need to tell Isioma. This is where Eba ki ife na-eme.
Mba onwere option. Onwe option ya.
Anaghị agwụ ya ozugbo ozugbo.
Mba na onwere option.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's it.
Ndị bala a na-agbasapụ aka na-enyere ụmụ ogbenye aka. O webụla ife kwuru ka a na-eme owe atọ na nkịtị owo. Chief GC ọkwa Dikeh. Mgbe nke afụrụ n'anya ọfụsi nna ndị bala ọgaranya na nwa. A na-ekwu na nkịtị owo. I remember something now. I remember something. This one, what did you see? Have not called to say thank you, no mention. Hope everything is all right. Sabi?
Chief.
Give me my telephone.
Which one of them?
Nokia to Nokia.
Hello?
Hey. This one is your man. I have not called to say thank you, no mention. I hope everything is all right.
Chief, you know, I told you she traveled to her Ikunne people. Hey, and she'll be coming back today or tomorrow or maybe even next tomorrow.
You see? When I am giving you 50,000, you didn't told me that his young man will be traveling to Villa Ikunne. Eh? And you didn't even know when she will be coming back.
Chief, see, I know I have told you that she traveled out. But once she come back immediately, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Well, I will wait. I will wait even tomorrow. Good afternoon. I will even wait tonight. But if I does not get a call, I will come with a phone and we will close the account. You balance me my money.
It's all right, Chief. He has not got to that yet. Chief, no problem. No problem. Bye-bye, Chief.
Bye-bye, no problem. And Clifford, this one, my canary agent, has not to call.
Clearing agent, sir.
Okay. Sorry, Clifford. Sorry, I was talking to my permanent secretary, Sabina. This one, my canary agent, I have not to call. I hope everything is all right. You see, people are waiting for the good in the market. To sell the good and sell the market. Yes. Why? Why is that? Oh, bring my good. People want to sell the market. Okay, all right, yo.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine. Papa, we have brought these things to prepare food for you.
For me?
Yes.
Oh, you mean you went to the market to buy these items? And even chicken to prepare special meal for me?
Yes, Papa. You know, I've loved this family with all my heart. And you especially. You know, my father speaks highly of you. Buchi has grown very fond of me, just that he has refused to tell me his mind. So I decided to take it upon myself to take care of you and Buchi. So that when Mama returns, she will know that I'm doing a good job for you.
Oh, and you are really doing a good job. Hi!
Papa.
Listen, Berechukwu, you have won my heart. You have won my heart. You have done so much, so much that I want to tell you that you have all the chances to end up in this house as my daughter-in-law.
Serious, Papa?
Yes! Yes! I, Abakene, loves progress. Your father is a progressive man, and I can see the progressive spirit in you.
Papa.
So do not worry, eh? My son must be made to see the progress and key into it. Don't worry. He will be made to marry you. He must marry you. No other girl. Eh? Hey! Oh, very lovely. I like that.
Hey, Papa, let's go inside and prepare it for you.
Okay.
Ini,
Yes, my
you know that Buchi is no longer a boy. He is now a man. So it's not something you force on him.
No.
My advice.
No. I am going to force him to, and he must do it. Yes. Go inside and do your cooking. You are
Bring the
welcome.
pot. Let me keep this one.
Welcome.
Wow, Papa. Hi, I like progress. I associate with progress. Why not go and get food? What are you going to do? Who is this? Where are you from? What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Why you were there wasting away your time? Turning for that useless girl, that non-entity. Why these ones are here? They came and they prepared this delicious meal with a very big fowl. White one at that. They prepared this delicious meal for your father to enjoy himself. Shouting, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Eh? And will you tell me you didn't see this guy here? The guy that is supposed to be your wife?
Papa, these girls are a bundle of mischief.
Huh?
They told me the other night that somebody was beating you up mercilessly. And I ran there like a madman, only to discover it was a lie.
Papa, it's a lie, yo.
I know it's a lie.
It's a big lie. Papa, I saw some people plotting against you to come and fight you. And I decided to take it upon myself to go and tell him that some people are plotting to come and fight you. Papa, is it a bad thing?
There is nothing wrong, my daughter. You have never told lies since I knew you. You have never. You are the one that has come to tell lies here.
Papa, you take her words against mine.
Why not? Why not? You have been a liar and I know you.
Okay.
Anna, are you mad? It's okay. Give back. Come inside. Stupid boy. He doesn't even want to understand. you are hungry, why not come and join me here?
Oh my God.
Okay. I will never mind. Listen, you are the owner of this house.
Thank you, Papa.
No other woman will come in. From what you have just done, you are a good girl.
Don't worry, eat your food, yeah? That is the decision, and it is final. You see, I've lost your father. I can't lose your uncle just like that. He is the only person protecting and helping me. Isioma, please, you have to marry Chief Okanka and set us free. If you say no, prepare to bury me as early as possible, tomorrow or next tomorrow.
I don't know, but I would plead for you to allow me go hunting with you tonight. I'm in bare need of money. I don't know where else to get it from. I just hope you could let me go hunting with you to see if I can kill an antelope or any bigger animal I could sell for like 20,000 naira.
Buchi, I saw you farming for Mr. Okocha in the afternoon. And now I want to hunt for money. Your father is a rich man. What problem is it that your father cannot solve?
Peter, you will not understand. Just let me go with you. I'm begging you.
Well, Buchi, I must tell you, hunting is like a gambling. Sometimes you catch big, sometimes small, sometimes nothing for the way.
I know. I am ready to take my chance. You never can tell what will come out of it. Just give me the opportunity to go with you. No matter what I get, I'll be okay with it.
If I say you should phone me now, you don't have to come.
I know you have been a hunter for years, and you would have more than one gun. You can lend me one. Please.
I didn't test my... Let's go, let's go.
Isioma, make sure you finish it before 12. That is if you go to catch him. My wife wanted to give you to Agwama, the woman that used to do it before. But because of the way you bent, I gave it to you. Let me go to my store.
I promise I will deliver.
When you are done, keep it at the back.
No way, because it's not my own. I can't take it. Please now, please give me some time. If not because of my ill health, I would have paid you this money.
No, please. You know I borrowed that money from the church.
Okay.
Oh yes, I borrowed it from the church. I had to give you because of your condition. And on Sunday, I am going to pay back. Otherwise, they will announce to the church that I embezzled their money.
Hey!
Please!
Please, Chinelo,
No, please. I don't want it. I need that money. I need it, please.
Please. Please, please, now give me some time. Hey!
No.
How are you? I went hunting with Dinta all night, but I was able to get just a small squirrel I sold for 800 naira. And then I went early this morning to clear my chase land. I still have one more farmland to clear.
You're going through all this because of me.
I don't know how to do anything. I have to be on my way now. They're waiting for me so I don't miss my pay. I can make my pay.
Same here. I have to deliver this, then go to one worker's farm to work.
Okay. Please let's meet later in the evening at our usual spot.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Don't you think it will become an object of ridicule and soil to your name if you fail to assist this one? Yes, you can give him the money and tell him that will be the last time he will do such. The fox must be chased away first and then run the end against wandering in the bush.
Okafor, my friend. I quite understand what you mean. But the truth is that I am not ready to raise Buchi like that. I am not. If he needs the role of him, I think that is the best thing for him. Then let him suffer it himself. Yes. Listen, there are many girls. Many girls from very rich family, good family. It is ability that he should run after. And not that miserable family. No! No!
Anyway, I'm just concerned about what our people will say. Yes, I'm just concerned about what our people will say. Before they start insulting you, that yet you have the money. And you allow your sons to be washing their faces.
Listen, let people say whatever they want to say. This is my family. And I know how to manage my family. Let them say whatever they want to say.
But then, think about it. Think about it.
Yes, 2008. If we add it to the 2004, we make it 16 and we have 5,000. We still have a long way to go. Hi.
I think we should leave this admission and school pressure. Look at what you've become in just 2 days. 2 days. You're no longer looking like my Uchi. Uchi Nkem, Okuloka, the envy of all the girls in this village. Please, I can use that 5,000 to start trade or something. Because we have just 4 days to go. How can we?
No. They will push you to the rich man if I fail. Not only do we need to pay your fees, we need to offset your mother's debts. Did you get it? I have to live up to the man I am. Don't worry about that. Just go. I'll see you
Sabina,
Yes, Chief.
give me my telephone Samsung.
Which one is Samsung?
That big one, I bought 72,000.
My sweetheart, all the loving, only that you give on your
Hello?
Yeah, I'm working here. Where is he seeing my telephone calling on my catch?
Ah, Chief. I'm sorry, she traveled. She traveled. When she comes back, I will tell her.
Let me tell you, this one, the business I have not started, and I'm already seeing rat.
Smelling rats, Chief.
Thank you for correction. Yes, I am smelling rat. I hope it is not a wayo business.
Chief, please. My daughter is not a business. I have told you that she traveled outside. Once she comes in, Chief, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Take 2,000 for correction in mail at English.
Thank you, Chief.
Take your good and your evil and give me all the money that I gave you on behalf of the chief and give me all the money you're also owing me.
Man, calm down. It's not my fault. I've been forcing Isioma here to call Chief on phone. And she said no, she refused. That instead of leaving Buchi, that she would rather die. Ask her, she's here.
Look, is it true? I asked you a question.
Yes, ma'am.
May I mad your horses to bend your mouth there for you. I don't blame you. Anyway, this is the last time you're going to see me in this town. And let me tell you, if any of you comes to my house to beg for anything, I will have your legs cut off. All I ask for you, give me 45,000 now and go and die your misery. My 45,000. What? Why are you doing this one for?
Mama, not again, please. Uncle, come. Mama, please.
What else to do? I have just today and tomorrow to pay up the money. I know you have your way with these things, please. Just tell me if there's any way you know I could go borrow money. I promise to pay with any interest.
Well, the only place you can get money right now is at the shrine of Akoto.
What?
Yes. And failure to pay him at the agreed time and with the agreed interest, that means death.
Hey!
45,000 is a very small money to him. If you agree, we just go there.
Hey!
CD, it is up and on, achọghị m onye ọzọ.
Onye meta owerishi egburu. Buti nwa bakene. This is the boundary between Ogezigbo and Ajofia. Whoever I lend money, I bring to this spot, so that the trees and the birds can bear me witness. That is why I brought you here. I borrowed you 200,000 to pay me 300,000 in a year. Isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now, the trees and the birds bear me witness that if he fails to return my money in 1 year, whatever action I take to recover my money, I will be justified. The trees and the birds bear me witness.
Hey, this girl. What are you doing there? Huh?
I'm tired. Please let me rest more.
Was he tired? Was he rest? See, you came to me pleading for this work. I gave you this work. Look at that man over there. He has been working for me for 2 years on different sites.
Okay, engineer, it's in a chasm work. Let me rest more, please.
Where am I going to go?
Hello.
Come, go where?
Ose, it's important. We have to leave here now.
Osigo, see, if you leave here, no pay for you.
You can keep the pay. Keep the pay. Come. Let's do this. Come. Just come. Come. So, Onunwa dipped hand into the 45,000 and took some money. What kind of poor mentality does she have, eh? And on top of that, she was not even able to convince or force Isioma to accept Okanga. Now, how do I raise money to pay the 5,000 I took and the 4,000 she removed from the 45 I gave her? I must go to her now, bundle Isioma and hand over to Chief because he has called and is threatened that he's coming for his money today.
Okay, come on. Do not be afraid. You see, I does not want to come to your house because of your wife. I was loaning you money before, but I does not see the benefit of loaning you money. You see, hey, took this bicycle and put it on the boot of my motor jeep and take notice of the business so that my customers can come and give me money. You see, until he pay me my law cash. Thank you very much. You see, I does not play with my money. I does not play with my money at all. I was the person loaning you money. But now, where is my money? Where it is?
Isioma! Olunwa! Isioma! Both of you should come out. Olunwa! Hi! Where's Olunwa? Where's Isioma? Both of you should come out and put somebody to death. Look, I want the complete money to give this man. I'm tired of hiding from him in this village.
I was just coming to your house to give you the 4,000 naira. She told me it was taken out from the 5,000 naira. Here it is.
No. The money is not 4,000. The money is not 4,000.
No, go,
The money that came from Okanga is 50,000. Of course, I took 5,000 for all the stuff.
Hey!
Hey, I gave you 45,000.
Man, so you took money from it without even telling me.
Please shut up here. Do you know how much you are even owing me? In fact, give me all the money you are owing me.
Nah, please, how much is the total money?
To balance Okanga is 9,000. Then, plus the old 12,500. It comes to 21,500.
21,500?
Yes, 21,500.
Okay, get him.
We are going to the cooperative college to pay for her acceptance and tuition fee. She'll be starting school on Monday.
Yes, sir.
And he has cleared all my debts. And gave me extra 20,000 naira to start a profit business. Why credit? Oh, no. Man, are you not happy for me? You want to go the angle? You are poor, but you are poor.
Paid off her school fees and even paid the debt that Olungwa is owing. Is that what you're telling me?
Naye, I heard it from a reliable source.
Where did you get such?
Naye, with the kind of love he has for her, maybe she pushed him to stay. That's the only way.
No. I know my son very well. He's very stubborn. I know he will never pick somebody's money. The money that does not belong to him, no, I know he will not do that. It's all the same, I am still wondering. I am still wondering where he got such an amount of money. Buchi!
My permanent secretary, Sammy. This place, this is my in-laws village. Anytime I come, I always spend time here drinking. You see, I want to take a caterpillar to break this place into pieces and build a new house for it so that my friend will know that this place is very good. You see, my very good friend, Pericoma of Iron this work. he told me, he talked to me. He said, Ogabuchi, you see, person is God to him, person. You know, you go to school, you does not know anything too much.
Chief.
Look, sit down.
Chief, here is the money. I have tried everything possible, it's not working. So I said, let me bring back the money.
Took back the catch, took it back to your pocket. It does not need that catch. You see? I will even supply you another 50,000. Make it 100,000. And on top of it, I will give you 6, 7, 8 months. Go and work on this your man until this your man becomes my latest wives. Yes.
Chief, are you serious?
Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense. If Chief Okanga is serious, I would go to Borobe Hospital and took a bed in there and do my sickness. Sabi? Go and borrow his bicycle and give him 2,000 naira to take it by fuel. Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense.
Yes, Chief. Thank you very much, Chief. Look, there's a strategy I have now. A strategy I will use. Someone must be coming.
Look again. Go to Chanja. Buy strategy. Use a strategy. Brought my wife to my house so that I can demolish my village. So that I can celebrate wife.
Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you.
Okanga. Chief Okanga must marry more wife. Yes, I don't want to play with my money. I'm a man of cash.
It's been 8 months now. Almost not fit to go back home. I hope you're saving me.
Yes, I am. I just got back from selling my palm wine in the market. For the past 8 months, all I do is go tap in the morning, go sell in the market, and then I come back to clear people's farmlands, and at night I go hunting in the winter.
Yeah, that was very tedious.
Yes, it is. But what can I do? I don't feel it because I'm doing it for my life. It doesn't matter.
Anyway, that means there's hope of you paying back the loan that's at you, right?
Yes, there's hope. I'm saving for it. Isioma even promised to come and see me so we can do some jobs together.
I wish you the best. I need to roll around.
Okay. So you say you are ready to marry her now?
See, I want to pay her bride price. Now that she's in school and doing great, the teachers are coming left, right, center. I just want to make her my wife so that everybody will be at rest.
Is that what you want?
Yes, uncle. I want him to pay my bride price if I go back to school.
On my part, I will not oppose to love each other. But you will do one thing for me. You will go to the community hospital. Go and meet Nurse Nkechi. And she will run tests on you. You know the test of HIV, genotype, AIDS, and all those other tests. And then, whatever the results are, once the results are okay, are you okay? Let's go. Thank you.
What is the problem? Huh?
I'm finished.
You're finished? How?
We went to the community hospital to carry out the needed test as demanded by Uncle Okike. We're getting there. We found out that we are both genotype AS. You know what that means? It means we can get married, we can be together. Mama, I'm finished, Mama. I want to die. I want to die. I don't want to marry another man. I want to die.
You will not die. I don't mean you will not die.
Why is this happening?
You are AS genotype, and she is AS genotype. Both of you can never marry each other. My son, I pity you. All this time, I blame you. I blame you. Yes.
Papa, you can at least console your son.
Console? I will never. I will not. I have warned you. I spoke to you several times that that family has nothing good to offer. I advised you, yet you wouldn't listen. Look at where your stubbornness has landed you. I'm telling you, you didn't see the likes of a berry.
It was love that moved me.
Love.
It was love that moved me.
Love. The test result has ended the love. Now your eyes will be glad to see the other girls. Good girls from very good families, rich families, responsible families, miserable families.
But that would be creating problems for our home. Sickness, suffering.
We can decide not to have children. We just cannot fathom life without you. You are going to be my son's wife. The genotype of Duchi and this young did not match, and so they can never get married to each other. Eh? So, you get ready to marry my son. Because as soon as my wife comes back from Oyibo, we will commence on you.
Thank you so much, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
I have always loved this family with all of my heart. And Buchi with all of my soul, Papa. And I pray that one day he will love me back the way I love him too.
All of you. He, in fact, with all of you, I am going to show why I am the son of Oshiri. Listen, I do not want to set my eyes on that girl at all with my son, because she is a bag of misfortune.
Exactly, Papa.
You are the one that will be my son's wife. Listen, my son is not only going to marry you, but he's going to marry you very soon. Very, very fast.
Papa. You know, my father has opened a very big fashion boutique for himself. so that I can be able to make my own money. And there I can be able to support Buchi.
Can you see? You are progressive like your family. Eh? Your brother, your sister, your mother, everything about you is progression. Yes! In fact, you are going to marry. Final. Eh? No going back. No going back. Yes. Hey!
Oluma. Now I introduce to you Isioma's husband to be Chief Okanga. Okanwana Quest. Oh, he is here to see you.
Chief, no. Why are you slapping my husband?
It is not intentional. I'm used to it. It helps him to talk better. It's not intentional. Well, never mind. Get inside the house and bring my Simma. I come here prepared, ready for marriage. In fact, I loaded the money in this my motor jeep. Go and brought Isioma for me. I am ready for marriage. Yeah.
That Isioma is not around, that she went out. Yeah. But he can wait for you.
He will wait.
Let me go and get cola for you. I'm coming.
Where was she going to? To bring the food to Okanga. Eh? She never knows that I, Chief Okanga, that I ate my food in the motor plane flying upstairs. I does not eat food on the ground. Even the type of food I eat, it can build this house into 7. That's me. She does not know who I am.
What are you talking about? I will not marry her. I will not marry her. I can never live with someone. She's the one I love.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Look, can you hear yourself? Look at your height! Look at your height, Buchi! And even your handsomeness, and yet you are not wise enough. You are not wise! I think I have given you too much space, and that is why you think you can never be curtailed. I am going to clip those wings. I will break it so that you will no more fly high. Yes! Papa, it's my life and it's my love, not anyone's. Look at you talking about love. Do you know what love is? Is love stupidity? Is it stupidity? Listen, it is not in my presence. You will marry that girl and bring her into this house so that she will bear you children that will become sickness. I do not want a wave of misery in my home. You have said your own. And I have said I will not tell you who to marry, Papa. I did not tell you who to marry when you got married. Papa, you cannot tell me. I will even from where you can go. You will not tell me who to marry, Papa. Hey! Buchi.
Crying is not the solution to this problem. What is the solution is cash and marriage. Chap chap. You see? Because AS is AS and the AS is no-go area in marriage. But to me, I am AA. It is in my blood. In my blood, I am strong. Even if in my unitary track, I have AA. Even in my own house, I have 13 children, and none of my children is sickle, not to talk of cell. So, please agree with me so that I can go to Chanja Market and bring my people so that we spend cash. We spend cash in your family.
Listen to what that is the only way to handle Buchi can no longer. promised to pay Buchi everything Kobo he has spent on you.
Never, Mama. Never. I'll never marry this old, slapping, money misroad. I must marry Buchi or I will die. Mama, get ready to bury me.
And then you will rather die. You will rather die than go and marry somewhere that you'll be producing a problem all in the name of children. Look, Isioma, if you have gone mad, we, your parents, were still safe. Look at a good match here for you to marry. You would rather prefer to go to where you'll be producing sickles, all in the name of children. Listen to yourself. Hear yourself. It will never happen. Isioma, I said it will never happen.
Tell her. She called me. My name is Lou. She does not know that I own all the money in this world.
Very true, very true.
If Ugonian, Otoko is my mom, that's how he will be slapping me if I become his wife. I want me to marry him.
He will not slap you. He's slapping me because I'm an outsider. You are his wife. He will not slap you. Mama,
I shall be going back to my headquarters office. You see? Anytime you see him, it's ready. Call me. Call me in the afternoon. Call me in the morning. Even midnight, call me on my telephone. If you call me, I will come with my people from Ochanja Market. So that we can spend all the cash in this village. Spend the cash in this village. And to tell you that I am very, very serious about it. Let me go to my motor jeep and put some money.
Just forget about that one. Let us be sure of this slapping. He will
not slap her. She's his wife. Lord,
My name is Okangakachi. Take this money. Give it to him. Anytime, just use this money. Kill all her tear. If you kill her tear, that's all. It is for my saying what baby nam.
Oh, God, Isioma. Nene ko ni Isioma. Unya ka ma juru la buru die. Ne ko die bi is nene ku eza. Koko.
Stop. Isioma, or whatever you call yourself, your plan has failed. Buchi, my Obi, belongs to me. He's not for you, and you can never marry him. Not when I'm alive, okay? So stop lurking around him like puppets.
Did you hear her? You Kukuluba, did you just hear her? You better stay away for your own good. Because the next time we see you, we will tear your mouth into pieces. More personally, I will tear your mouth. No, the crackers. I am so happy with this genotype mismatch. I am very happy. Because you see this thing, it makes everything so easy. Really? Yes. With this, Uchi has automatically become yours.
Tell me so.
I trust me.
By the way,
are you serious?
Why are you so excited?
Are you serious? Yes, why would I be? Yes, I never knew he had me in mind. Yes.
No.
And you know what? You have to start going when I go to see him.
Okay.
I will just see what happened.
Yeah,
I will come to your house.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Buchi!
What are you doing, Michael?
Goodness, sir.
What are you creating to yourself? Listen, your father is dead. Miserable. You take your ill luck out of my son's life. You are not welcome into this family. AS and AS can never marry each other. Is that not enough for you to go for another man? My son has chosen another woman, but simply does not know how to tell you. I think I have done it. You have nothing to offer to my son and his family in general. Yes, so you get lost. Go away from this place and go forever.
Sir, please. Can I see him and say goodbye?
See who? There is no need. I said there is no need. You get lost. Get lost! And never come to this company anymore. Leave my son alone! Rubbish. Papa. Yes. What did you say to her? I told her the truth. That you can never get married to her. Yes! Papa, you're looking for my trouble. Who is looking for yourself? Ina Tukamoku, Papa. Papa, Ina Tukamoku.
Stop doing this to yourself, please. I can never leave you for anyone, never. It's you and I forever.
They say we can be together, they say we can be together. Let me die, let me...
Don't talk like that, do not say that. It's you and I, not you and them. Okay? It's you and I forever. I will never leave you for anyone in this world.
Where is Okike? Where is Okike? Okike! Okike, come out. Okike, warn your daughter. Warn your daughter to stay away from my...
Makene, what's the problem?
The problem is that you better warn your daughter, Okike. Warn her, warn her. Warn her to stay away from my son. Yes, I am ready to sever your head, Okike. Or you want me to try it? Eh? Warn your daughter to stay away from my son. I have given them enough time. Enough time to love themselves under the sun. But now that we have discovered that they are AS and AS, they can never get married to each other. I don't want to have grandchildren that are sickless. Yes! So, you better warn your daughter.
Abakene, I've had it. In fact, if there's anything you can even do to stop two of them from seeing each other, I give you permission, Abakene, do it. I even authorize you to cut off her 2 legs. She doesn't want to hear.
I have warned you. I know you have misfortune in your home, but misfortune is my greatest enemy. So please, talk to your daughter.
Abakene, it's turning into an insult. It can be anything. Don't dare my patience, Abakene. No patience. Don't dare my patience.
If you're a real man, tell your daughter to stop running after my son like a dog. You have dignity. Yes. Warn your daughter and let it off. What do you want me to show you?
Abakene. Ah, bring up.
My sweetheart, ordinary. Oh, I'm Nina Chagimonyoza. Oh, love.
Olunwa.
Nah.
Olunwa. Where is your?
She has not come back since that time she ran away from the house.
Hi! Olunwa. Things are getting out of hand, and I will never tolerate it. Never!
What happened again?
Do you know Abakene? The father of Buchi. Abakene came to my house. Abakene Bianubo Okike with a machete. Machete threatening me.
Now you did what?
He was saying a lot of despicable things about our family. And then he concluded by saying that Isioma, my daughter, is a shameless dog chasing after his son. Without decorum, without shame. Oh, Ah! Ikbiribogo, that is the height of it. I have had enough. This affair must end today.
Isioma will never hear. Eh? Look at Abaka, whatever he calls himself. That my daughter is a shameless dog. Papa Buchi. I knew it would come to this. I knew it. But each time I tell my daughter to stay away from this so-called Buchi, she will not hear. Look at Agwago Misioma. Namu Budiye Agwagi Oko. She has refused to listen to me. But I know that one Igbo Ade says, no na Abakata Tenti Anoro. Nebelisi. This
affair must end today.
Nani, any action you want to take, as long as you want to stop this relationship, do it. You have my support.
I know what to do.
Go ahead.
I will do it. I will do it, oh.
Anna, please see it. Once you're going to believe it, yes, Sophia. You only get a man. You need to tell them to the body. That's not another. Don't you want here? Get. No shameless dog. Hey!
My sweetheart, all the loving. Oh, I'm Nina Chagimonaza. Oh, love, my sweetheart, all the loving. Oh, I'm Nina Chagimonaza.
I honestly do not know what is in that girl. I do not know what is in that girl.
I mean, take a good look at her, baby. She is doing well as a fashion designer. She is a pretty girl. And her father is more wealthy than Buchi's father. Yet Buchi prefers misery to love and joy. Now the thing there, so
baffles me. And he's owing a lot of money because of that. Anyway, I'll try and see him later in the day and talk to him whether he will accept a baby's proposal. I just hope he's going to listen to the voice of reason. That aside, you know what? Let's forget about that, eh? Now that it's just me and you that are here. You know, let me tell you something. You really my heart's up and down like avocado right now.
Oh, Joe, look at you.
Should I love you now? Eh?
Look at you. Leave me, Joe. You're even lucky that I drove your heart like an Okada rider. I should have driven it like a keke driver.
You're funny.
I
know you're funny, but maybe that. You won't be able to pay back his money on time. If you go ahead and help his son pay our school fees, that should take us back to school. I have a feeling you might just end up training the man you will not get married to. Genotype is not something you turn into.
Because what are you suggesting I do?
Like I'm talking. A very is going to help you pay the money. At least you start tilting your heart 2 years ago. Forget about this young man. With time, this young man is going to find another man that will marry her.
How can you talk like this? If you're not my friend, I'll think there's more to this than you're telling me.
Because I'm your best friend, that's why I'm advising you. Don't say I did not warn you. There are 2 things you cannot risk. One is failing to pay back his money as at when it's you, which comes with dire consequences. Second, you don't bring children into this world that you watch dying one after the other. I've told you as a friend, go for a baby. Genotype is not something to toy with.
Sweetheart, all the loving. Oh, I'm Nina Chagimonaza.
Good morning. Uchi, Papa,
Did I hear you say good morning? Yes, Papa. Buchi, for the very first time in 8 months, you have treated me well. And with every degree of interest. What is doing? Tell me. Papa, am I not your only child? Of course, yes. I've decided to do whatever you say and to obey you and be respectful so you can be happy. That is my son speaking. That is my son. I know I have not given birth to a full-grown man, handsome. Hey! A lion begets a lion. Yes, Papa. You are a lion, my son. Listen, I am promising you a very big package. Really, I promise you that. Thank you, Papa. Let me just finish this video. Do that very fast, eh? Hey! Oh, no. Hey.
Ofonogu kam jaga. Yemeta orishi ekuru. Uchi. Nwapakene. I brought you to this spot again so that the trees and the birds can bear me witness that you have returned my money and the interest agreed. And you don't owe me anything. You have fulfilled the terms of agreement. You are now free. You are free.
Thank you, Okoto.
Thank you very much, Okoto.
We leave you in peace.
Don't hesitate to ask me for help anytime you need. And may the road obey you as you go. Go in peace. Yemete owerishi eburu. Ha! Ofonogu kanji aga. Yemete owerishi eburu.
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me be. Leave me, Mama. You know what you're saying can never happen. So leave me alone. Let me be. Rap Magabi go. All happens. Go. It has happened.
Isioma, I am going to show you that I am your mother. That I gave birth to you.
Mama. This is what you're saying. If I get in that case, I will run away from this village and you will not see me again.
What are you still waiting for? You better do that now. Let me tell you, as long as you are here, no man will enter here and insult the memory of my late husband. Because you're chasing a cause that will never come to pass.
Mama, I can see that your blood is hot. I need to leave you. Let me just leave this house for you and wait till your brain cools down.
Go wherever you want to go. You must come back to this house. And as long as you're here, I've told you. Oh, Mexico. Oh, Mexico is your man. Oh, go to America.
My daughter, don't worry. She is starting to senses. We shall come to see.
I've seen him already.
Hey, really?
Yes. I even gave him something to be able to solve something.
Something to solve something. Hey! Hey! Hey, you said I should not drink river water anymore. Isioma! Isioma!
Please just go. No. Good Guinea. Jide, good afternoon. Leave us alone. We cannot afford your father calling us all sorts of nonsense names. That we are dogs. We are miserable people. Go and start a new life. Leave his summer alone.
Mama, I have only come to give her the money I promised her for the school fees.
Hold your money. We don't need it again. Just go home and calculate how much you have spent on my daughter. Chief Okanga will pay back. Uchi, you are genotype AS. And Isioma is AS. Why Chief Okanga is AA? You cannot marry her.
Mama, we have talked about this now. Okay, when I did...
Let this river be ready to welcome my dead friend. The day I will wake up and Buchi is no longer mine. Let the small fishes marry with my flesh, which can never be cuddled by another man. Let my soul be lost in your bottom, because it can never belong to another man other than my Buchi. This promise I make with my mouth, and I shall seal it with my blood.
Do not do this. Buchi can no longer be yours. I am genotype AA, and I can love you. I can even love you more than the way Buchi loves you, since Buchi is my best friend. I can love you on his behalf.
I can't believe this. He come from his best friend.
Okay, let me tell you this. Yeah? I can even leave my girlfriend Chike and marry you, just to wipe the tears off your eyes. I'm only saying this because you're genotype AS and Buchi is genotype AS. Both of you can be together. And think about it. Buchi will end up marrying a berry, and you will be left alone in this village. Time is of the essence. I can marry you. I can... Okay, just imagine, what if they get married and they go away? What will become of you? What will people say? I'm only giving you a better option. I can marry you, and we can be happy together.
You're heartless! I hate you, Onyeka, I hate you!
No, that's the good thing to that. No,
get it.
Telling you to take this easy. Take it easy. I have some money for your fees and allowance.
Are you serious?
Yes.
In that case, I have to go get my bag. I have to leave for school immediately. Listen, I'm tired and sick of what I see and hear in this village. I'm so tired.
Please, I keep telling you to take this easy.
Can I ask you something?
You know you can ask me anything.
Onyeka can truly be your best friend.
Why do you ask?
Come on.
No, I can't come to the house. The mother chased me out, remember?
Just stay here and wait for me. Let me get
Hey! You all have dreams. I have mine. But the motive behind mine is what they do you. Hey, look at you.
Instead of it making her jealous and making the love stronger, it is creating a distance between us. For instance, I made her see me and Ebele the other day like you advised. Now I was thinking she would get jealous and confront me. Instead, she ran away and has refused to pick my calls.
Buchi, you worry too much. You and I know Isioma can't live without you. She will come back. Don't worry. Look, the other day in the bush when I saw her and told her about the music, I saw her reaction. She's madly in love with you. Don't worry, our plan will work.
I am worried. I'm worried because Ebele is now leveraging on that to work herself into me. You know how these things work. I might not be able to resist her touches.
So, that's good news now. Play with Ebele. If possible, enjoy a womanhood. Then your mind will be at peace with everyone, including your parents. After all, you still marry someone that you have desire. Just play with Ebele, enjoy her.
What kind of advice are you giving me? I'm beginning to suspect you're really gay.
Okay. Also, see this. Buchi. I come to know if it was possible to do the marriage ceremony of Isioma and then I pay you cash so that you brought her to my house like a way bill.
Chief, the way things are now, anything is possible.
Yes. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Then go to my motor car and brought to me my bag of cash.
Bring.
You bring the bag of cash. For correction, thank you.
Be right back.
I just want you to blot me the wrist so that anything you mention, I pay you cash and then you blot receipt.
Chief, receipt what?
Receipt. Sorry. I was talking to my boys at Ojanja Market.
You see, anything we bought, you give me a receipt.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
This is really sad. Are you saying he must have been brought over? From what I saw, from what his friend Anyeka said. Oh God. My life is empty without him. My life is empty without Buchi. Though our genotypes do not match, but we agreed to be together. We agreed to get married even without children. I care about him so much. Without him, my life is over. I care about him and nothing else. Kichi, I care about him. I care about him. God, where is this happening to me? It's okay. Stop this. It's over. Much as I sympathize with you, I must tell you the truth. What truth are you talking about? Anybody that tells you that an African marriage is complete without a child is lying. And secondly, nobody can stand the touch of giving birth to children and raising kids that will eventually die because they're still a son. No one. Hey! Hey!
Probably it is because you are the one feeling it. On a serious note, Buchi, are you not enjoying this already? I am, sweetie. This is exactly what I have been telling you. She's a woman of substance. Hey, in fact, I know her family right from 1967. I have been very, very friendly. We are like brothers of different mothers. Hey, around 1967 when her father went to marry. Yes, I led your father and his family to pay the bride price of your mother. And I knew it very well that that link must still be there. No. Take that. Take that orange. Take the orange. That is love. Yeah? Hey, that's all right. Let me leave both of you to enjoy yourselves. Where are you going, Papa? I am going for a meeting.
Okay, let me get a walking stick and the
Don't worry. Leave guitar. Enjoy yourselves, eh? Hey.
You know I love you so much. And I can do anything for you.
Like it. You already said?
Yes. Okay, enjoy yourselves.
Okay, I'll see you when you come back.
Okay, enjoy yourselves, bro. Hey.
Let's go inside now.
To go and do what?
Let's go inside now. Why are you scared? Let's go inside. I have something to tell you.
I'm an adult. I should know when I do something and when I didn't do anything. You said you were not showing fit to do what?
You have made her pregnant though. You better go and perform her marriage rites, if not.
How can you talk like this? Chika, you cannot be certain about that. Onyeka, you said this was supposed to be a game. To make our parents calm down and make me get married to Isioma. Now you're making it look like I did something. I didn't do anything.
It's a game, Nigel. But now you're torn between the woman you love and the woman you got pregnant. My advice to you is, if you feel like marrying both of them, just go and talk to their parents.
Onyeka. Onyeka, I did not get anybody pregnant, and you know that it was you who brought up this game. Now you're making it look like you cannot put me in this kind of situation and let me go. I did not get her pregnant. You cannot listen, Onyeka.
Thank you.
Wait for that to concentrate. Why? I was thinking about Buchi. He has tried for me. He toyed to see me to this level. I know he still loves me and will want me to be his wife. I can't concentrate unless I make up with him and possibly make him pay my dowry.
Isioma, you can only call yourself his wife only if he pays your dowry. No, see, I advise you make him do that. Do whatever it takes to make him do that. Else, you'll lose him to that girl you call Ebere.
I've done my bit to you. The rest is left for you. Huh? But remember, do not call my name. Don't call my name.
Don't worry about that now. I'm not a kid.
Okay, Abo.
Okay. So, cheese, mine. Just like that.
No, that is why I called you. We will perform the rites on his behalf. Then parcel her away to him whenever she comes back.
I don't have a problem with that. Why would I? See, I am now debt-free. And I've increased the number of wares I sell in my shop at our for market. Courtesy of you, Chief Okanka. We don't have problem any longer. You know that Buchi can no longer marry her because of the genotype problem.
Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly.
And men are scarce.
Especially in the Ndiji cash.
So he must marry me. They're already married spiritually. Just waiting for it to manifest physically. He can equip. But yes, make sure that you don't do Chief Okanka.
We will not.
So what are all
City. It is a banana kemo. Oh, love.
Handle this like a man.
Adam, kiwi. No, no. This is one. Adam, take him. Yeah. Are you sure you're eating in that school? Good old woman. Me looking. Oh, it's your mama. Have you been crying? Your face is not good.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
I am still the way I am when you ran out of me. Eh? High school. High school. High school.
My school is fine.
Thank God. This one that your face is like this. Is there anything you want to tell me?
Mama, Buchi will be coming to pay me.
Buchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bride price?
Yes, ma'am. That's why I came. So, get ready for it. From here, I'll be going to see you.
Chabi, it's even good that you can see your people. And I thank God you came back. Because arrangements have been made for your traditional marriage rites. Yes. I have finished the arrangement. And it's even very good that you came at the niche of time. Yes, my daughter. So you came at the niche of time so that the traditional marriage will be done properly. At least you'll be there, live and direct. You said you want to go and see your uncle, huh? Am I saying? Hey, go and see your uncle. See again, they also for the little or sit over one of your food. Take it for uncle to go. No, Mama, I don't understand. My marriage rights with who? Your uncle will answer this last question. I just know, Jojo. Jeff, with who? With when? With what? Hunter, Jabe, Jabe. Before you come back, I must have finished preparing your food so that you will eat. Eat a caro. Adam, Jabe. I don't know what. Oh, you didn't need to come?
Madam, she's lying. I say you are lying. When you were climbing on her and rambling her womanhood, what had you in mind? Tell me, listen, you are going to marry Eberechuku. You are going to marry Eberechuku? Yes. Papa, I will not marry her. I won't. All this happened because I stupidly followed Onyeka's advice. I cannot imagine a life without Isioma. She's the one I want to get married to. Why all this push? You are going to marry her in Dreamland. That is where you will marry her. All our people, and we will go to her parents and pay her bride price and what, and bring her into the house. Let me see another woman that will come into the house. Papa, if you take your people to go and pay anybody's bride price, you bring her into this house as your second wife. Because I'm not going to get married to her. I won't even look her way. I'm telling you this now. If you think you can disgrace me in this community, I will tell you the kind of person I am. I am your father. I said, my God, I'm not going to marry any girl. You want to go and bring her to this house and get ready to marry her as your second wife. Get out of this place! Marry her. Get out! I will not marry her. To fear. No, man. Idiot. You didn't see rich people's daughter to marry. It is that person, that idiot from a poor home. It's lives like you.
She told me.
She lied.
No, she has never lied to me. We share our secrets together. Why are you denying?
No. I'm done. I'm done. I've been settled, so I'm leaving this village. I'm going to the city, so anywhere, just to start my life afresh. I'll be leaving on Sunday. If you want to come with me, come. If you don't want to come with me, I'll go on my way.
I will have to sleep over my relationship with you. Because I don't know you. I don't know you well.
See this Momo. So she thinks me and Yeka, I will be begging her for a relationship. I wish she knows what I've done on the other side.
Let this be the last time you walk into this compound and tell me you want to marry someone. I just got a message from your people that your father tomorrow will go and pay the bride price for Ebere Nana, and that I should therefore shift the bride price paying for someone which has slated for tomorrow to the day after tomorrow.
Uncle, what are you saying?
Exactly what you have heard. Your bride price was supposed to be paid tomorrow by Chibokanga. Now it's been shifted to the day after tomorrow. It will now be paid next tomorrow. And whenever you're ready, you go and meet your husband Chibokanga wherever he is.
Uncle, you will get...
Will you shut up and get out of my compound, Osocheru? Go and marry that Ebere you got pregnant and stop stealing my daughter. I didn't get anybody pregnant. If someone you believe me, this is the setup. Uncle, I didn't get anybody pregnant. Wait!
Coming to pay your bridal price. Lots of people are aware of it. The child my son has put in you is the blood of this family, and so must not be thrown.
Thank you, Papa. My father told me about it, so I decided to come and confirm myself. Let me go and prepare now.
It is true. Buchi must marry and father the child that he has put. So you go and prepare yourself.
Okay, let me get going, Papa. It's when Mama calls. Tell her I'm waiting now.
I will. She's even unwell. Look, she's still enjoying Obodo Ibo. I wonder when she's going to be back. But I can see it's going to take some time. That notwithstanding, my daughter. Things must go well. Okay, my daughter. It's okay. Hey!
She came to the house. I was with my father. She came with some oranges. And then she started peeling. She was peeling and giving to both of us. So at some point, my father left for the meeting. And she said she wanted to go inside. I refused. I told her I wanted to stay outside. I didn't have anything to do inside the house. She insisted, telling me she wanted to watch television. I didn't know what else to do. I said, okay, let's go inside. And then the next thing, I started feeling drowsy. That was all I knew. Up until when I woke up and discovered I was naked and she was there beside me laughing.
Can you hear yourself? What do you think? You think I'm a child? You think I'm a baby? What are you saying? What? In the first place, how can you allow a Ebele, our number one enemy, to peel orange for you? What were you thinking?
I told you, Shiki, my father was dead. I had nothing in mind. If it was just the both of us, I wouldn't have. I'm not lying to you.
Oh gosh.
You have to believe me, Sioma. I'm not lying to you. You know I can never lie to you. This is exactly how it happened.
Chibika was not my father. I'm talking to you. Talk to me.
Nothing. Tell me nothing. You are lying to me. It is obvious that you're lying to me. Tell me what transpired.
Believe me, nothing happened. Anything you want to believe, go and believe. Nothing happened.
Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're telling me? Ronnie. Nick, I'm talking to you.
My love, it was a trap they set for me and I fell for it. You know I can never marry another girl besides you. Let's elope, please. I've just been paid the money I was saving from the contribution. We can elope with that, I'm begging you. Please.
You want to elope with me and abandon your wife and child, right?
I don't have any wife anyway. You're the wife I want to have. Please. Okay, I could take the child because I think it's mine, but I cannot marry a better for anything. You're the one I want to make my wife.
Buchi, how could you? How could you do this to me, Buchi? How could you? How could you pregnant another woman, Buchi? How could you do that to me? Oh, God. Buchi.
There's something that just came to my mind.
What is it?
Have you tried conducting the test in another hospital?
Of what use will that be?
I've seen a situation where someone who is proclaimed to have HIV, upon running the test in another hospital, the result turns out to be negative. I advise you go to 1 or 2 different hospitals to run the test again, so we can be sure. That's the only way you can know if it's actually the same thing, or if it's actually true.
My love, she has a point here.
Maybe we should try run the test in 1 or 2 other hospitals here.
Oriaku, don't worry. Don't worry. Wherever he has run to, he will surely come.
Yes. Yes, of course. We are preparing now. We are preparing to move. This is just 2 o'clock. 5 o'clock, we will move. And then go and pay the bride price quickly. Yes.
Yes. Everything is very sweet.
Please, I want to see you. Come back, eh? Come back on time, Rico.
Because another grandchild is waiting, eh? Okay, greet my daughter and my grandchild, eh?
And greet all the Oyibo people there too. Come back on time, come back on time. Let me go my own move. Okay. Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Credit to Magugo, bye-bye.
Hey! So by this time tomorrow, this would be my wife.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. You see, you are a man of the world. I should now begin to go so that I will bring all my friends together. Hey, even Akunebi will come. Even Akunatakati will come. Even Obina Japan should come with his siren. And Obichuruzo Rakwese will come with his follow motor. And the whole of this village, everybody go full the village. Tell your boys, let them go caterpillar. Let him do this one. Because if all my people come,
this village shall not content them.
Okanga, Okangma, now where's it?
Okay. We'll be waiting. We'll be waiting.
You see?
Yes.
He's him.
Is it the result you took in the village hospital?
Yes.
It's a mistake.
It's the new one, yes. What kind of mistake?
See, look at this result. Take a look at the results. We went to 2 different hospitals in the city. We did the same test. The results came out. I am genotype AA. Puti here genotype
AA, Mama.
Mama.
Puti. You are AA.
Yes, Mama.
Adam. You are AA.
Yes, Mama.
Meaning that the first one they did here.
Mama knows village up, Eliza.
Quack, she's quack.
Hey, Uchi, I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. You almost married to a better. Adam, let's go give me a better mafia.
How?
Mama, see.
I know we have not worked together, but at least this is a venue for reconciliation. Baba, what's going on here? What is going on here? Whatever you have gathered here for? No, don't touch that guy. Baba, we're just coming from the city where we ran 2 separate tests. And we have discovered that we are both genotype AA. Lie! I say lie! I am telling you the truth. I say it's a lie! Whatever it is you're planning, everything you're almost it's not going on. Abomination! What confession?
Chica, what is wrong with you?
Chica, what?
What is wrong with you, Chica?
But she's not the father of the child in our womb.
Hey!
My boyfriend.
Huh?
He is also responsible. He is also responsible for the nurse that gave them the wrong genotype results. You think I'm lying? If you think I'm lying, ask Everett to swear. Can you swear? You cannot swear.
Oh, Mama Kia!
Oh, Mama Kia! He and Ebere paid Oneka 50,000. He and Ebere paid Oneka 50,000 naira to do this. Ebere also paid Oneka to get her pregnant. And the next thing she did was to go to Buchi's house. She injected something into the orange she gave to Buchi. Buchi never slept with her. Buchi never slept.
achọghị m onye ọzọ. Oh, love mo. Oh, love mo. My sweetheart, ọ dị m n'obi. Ụwa m niile achọghị m onye ọzọ. Ife ọbụla ị chọrọ, m na-enye gị. Ife ọbụla ọ bụ, m na-emelụ gị. Otu ọbụla o si dị, echezọkwana n'ịbụ nke m. Ife ọbụla ị chọrọ, m na-enye gị. Ife ọbụla ọ bụ, m na-emelụ gị. Otu ọbụla o si dị, echezọkwana n'ịbụ nke m. Oh, love mo. Oh, love mo. My sweetheart, ọ dị m n'obi. Ụwa m niile achọghị m onye ọzọ.